Let's take a look at how Xero's Smart Document Capture reads your documents for you so you can turn receipts, invoices, and rental statements into digital records in seconds, no separate apps, no spreadsheets, and no retyping. From your Xero homepage, select your organization name, then choose Files from the menu. This is your Files inbox and where all your documents are stored. You can capture documents in a way that suits you by using the green Upload to Files inbox button, emailing them into your unique email address, or snapping a photo in the Xero accounting app on your mobile. All your newly uploaded documents will arrive into your Files storage folder. If you prefer, you can still select multiple documents at once and attach them to a single transaction. For any current users, the main change you'll notice is what happens when you open a document. Here we have a receipt from Sans Catering. As soon as we click into it, Xero's advanced extraction has already read the document and pulled out the key details. You can see the contact in this case, Sans Catering, has been picked up. If it's a new contact, you'll need to click into the contact field and select the option to add as a new contact. The document type is classified as a spend money transaction. The date and total come straight from the receipt, and you can choose the payment method that fits how you paid. If this happened to be a bill, the due date would also be extracted if there was one. There's also a short file summary that describes what's in the document, so it's easy to see what you're working with at a glance. All of the line items from this receipt are extracted for you: descriptions, quantities, prices, and amounts, and Xero suggests an account code based on your chart of accounts and the information in the document. If you don't need that level of detail, that's easy to adjust. Use the Collapse Line Items toggle and Xero will roll everything into a single line while still keeping the totals accurate. You stay in control of tax. You can choose whether the amounts are tax inclusive, tax exclusive, or have no tax, and update the tax rate where you need to. If a total doesn't look right, checking your tax settings and line items will usually bring it back into line. Once you're happy with what Xero has extracted, creating the transaction is straightforward. Review the key details, make sure you're comfortable with the suggested account code and tax, and then select Create Transaction. On the left, you'll see the status change to Transaction Processing, while Xero creates the transaction in the background. When that's done, the document moves into Archive, helping keep your inbox tidy so you can move on to the next document. Smart Document Capture also helps you tidy up existing records by matching documents to bank transactions. Here we have a receipt from Story Coffee. Xero has read the document and found a bank transaction with the same date and amount, so it suggests a possible match. From here, you can view the suggested transaction in Xero to make sure everything lines up. If the document relates to that transaction, simply select Match. Xero then attaches the document to the existing bank transaction. This helps you keep clear, complete records, resolve unreconciled items faster, and avoid creating duplicate transactions. With Smart Document Capture, getting data into Xero becomes part of your everyday workflow. Whether it's on email, a photo on your phone, or a direct upload, getting documents into Xero is now effortless. Advanced AI takes on the heavy lifting, automatically extracting data from your document, using it to pre-populate your transactions, and surfacing suggested matches to your bank feed. All this means you can get your record keeping done in seconds, not hours. These capabilities are built into Xero Business Edition plans in the UK, so you can keep your records accurate, support your compliance needs, and save time for the work that matters most.